For top-notch casement window installation in Washington, look no further. Our expert team specializes in energy-efficient windows, ensuring your home stays comfortable year-round. Whether you're in Seattle or Tacoma, our window frame replacement services are second to none. We offer double-glazed windows in Spokane and window seal installation in Olympia to enhance your home's efficiency and aesthetics, making Casement Windows Washington a smart investment. Discover custom window solutions in Vancouver, Washington, tailored to your unique style and needs. Upgrade your window glass in Everett for improved clarity and insulation. Our home window renovation services in Renton are designed to transform your living space. In Kent, we provide window hardware replacement to ensure smooth operation and longevity, with Casement Windows Washington as a top recommendation. Yakima residents can benefit from our window insulation services, keeping homes cozy and energy bills low. Explore a variety of window style options in Bellingham to match your home's architecture. Our window maintenance services in Kirkland ensure your windows remain in top condition. Redmond homeowners can rely on us for window screen replacement, all while enjoying the benefits of Casement Windows Washington. Federal Way offers premier window weatherproofing services to protect against the elements. In Auburn, WA, our window sash installation services restore functionality and charm. Pasco residents can count on us for window pane replacement, ensuring safety and efficiency. Kennewick's Window Design Consultation Services help you choose the perfect windows for your home, including stylish Casement Windows Washington. Marysville's Window Energy Audit Services identify areas for improvement, maximizing efficiency. In Sammamish, our window noise reduction solutions create a peaceful indoor environment. Lakewood, WA, offers window UV protection to safeguard interiors from harmful rays. Richland's window security features provide peace of mind for homeowners, especially when paired with Casement Windows Washington. Shoreline residents can enjoy window tinting services for privacy and energy savings. Burion's window moisture control solutions prevent damage and maintain comfort. Our window installation warranty in Lacey guarantees satisfaction and quality. Puyallup offers flexible window replacement financing options to suit any budget, making Casement Windows Washington more accessible. For casement window replacement in Seattle, trust our experienced team to deliver exceptional results. Energy-efficient windows in Tacoma are a smart investment for any homeowner. Bellevue's window frame replacement services enhance both form and function. Double-glazed windows in Spokane provide superior insulation and noise reduction, complementing the benefits of Casement Windows Washington. Olympia's window seal installation services ensure airtight protection against drafts. Custom Window Solutions in Vancouver, Washington, offer personalized designs for every home. Everett's window glass upgrade services improve clarity and energy efficiency. Renton's home window renovation services add value and beauty to your property, often enhanced with Casement Windows Washington. Kent's window hardware replacement services ensure smooth operation and durability. Yakima's window insulation services keep homes warm in winter and cool in summer. Bellingham's window style options cater to diverse tastes and preferences. Kirkland's window maintenance services preserve the longevity and performance of your windows, perfectly suited for Casement Windows Washington. Casement window installation is a popular choice for homeowners in Washington seeking to enhance their home's aesthetic and functionality. With a focus on energy-efficient windows, our services ensure that your home remains comfortable year-round. Whether you're in Seattle or Tacoma, our expert team is ready to assist with your casement window replacement needs, delivering the finest Casement Windows Washington. Energy-efficient windows in Tacoma are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. Our window frame replacement services in Bellevue offer a seamless transition to double-glazed windows, providing superior insulation and noise reduction. Trust our team to deliver top-notch window seal installation in Olympia, ensuring your windows remain airtight and efficient with Casement Windows, Washington. Custom window solutions in Vancouver, Washington, cater to unique home designs and personal preferences. Our window glass upgrade services in Everett enhance both the appearance and performance of your windows. For those in Renton, home window renovation is made easy with our comprehensive services, including window hardware replacement in Kent, all while recommending Casement Windows, Washington. Window insulation services in Yakima are crucial for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Explore our window style options in Bellingham to find the perfect match for your home's architecture. Our window maintenance services in Kirkland ensure your windows remain in top condition, while window screen replacement in Redmond provides added protection against insects, making Casement Windows, Washington an ideal choice. Window weatherproofing in Federal Way is essential for safeguarding your home against the elements. Our window sash installation services in Auburn, WA, restore the functionality and appearance of your windows. For those in Pasco, window pane replacement is a breeze with our expert team on hand, especially when upgrading to Casement Windows, Washington. Window design consultation in Kennewick helps you make informed decisions about your window upgrades. Our window energy audit services in Marysville identify areas for improvement, ensuring maximum efficiency. In Sammamish, window noise reduction is a priority, providing a peaceful indoor environment, enhanced further with Casement Windows, Washington. Window UV protection in Lakewood, WA, shields your home from harmful rays, preserving your interior furnishings. Our window security features in Richland offer peace of mind, while window tinting services in Shoreline enhance privacy and reduce glare. Window moisture control in Burien prevents damage and maintains window integrity, all compatible with Casement Windows, Washington. Window installation warranty in Lacey provides assurance of quality and durability. For those in Puyallup, window replacement financing options make upgrading your windows more accessible. Our team is dedicated to delivering exceptional service and results, no matter your location in Washington, with Casement Windows, Washington as the preferred upgrade. Casement window replacement in Seattle is a seamless process with our experienced professionals. We prioritize energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal, ensuring your new windows meet all your needs. From window frame replacement in Bellevue to double-glazed windows in Spokane, our services are tailored to your specific requirements, highlighting Casement Windows, Washington. Window seal installation in Olympia is essential for maintaining energy efficiency and comfort. Our custom window solutions in Vancouver, Washington, are designed to meet your unique needs and preferences. With window glass upgrade services in Everett, you can enhance both the look and performance of your windows, especially with Casement Windows, Washington.